Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 104 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old friends down at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this beautiful 1/8 scale model along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful model. Let's have a quick scope through the magazine this week. Cesar Romero there looking rather sinister as the Joker. It says, "Surf's up, Joker's under." There he is, himself. Identity crisis there from the great comics. Looking rather mint. Batman 20, 80 years after his debut appearance, the Joker still had the capacity to provoke fear and outrage in equal measure. Certainly did. Continuation there of the Batman comic. Car parts this week. We are completing the passenger side door, putting in the inner door panel there, all the bits and pieces that we've got in there to go on the door, ready to assemble. Batman 3 Jokers there, I like that as well. It's nice, isn't it? Some stunning artwork. Here we are, fitting the trim on the inside of the door. Nice simple instructions to follow, folks. Gonna need your body shell so that you can install the door onto it, like so. And then this is what we're going to end up with, which is the body shell with now both doors in situ, folks. Okay, so that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side. We'll bring in all the parts we need, and then we'll start a bit of assembly for you. So that's issue 104. So that's what we've got. We've got our door skin, knobs, etc., screws. And we're going to be attaching the door to the side of the Batmobile. And then by the time this issue's done, we'll have our middle section and rear shell with both doors attached, just like that. Okay, so that's what we're aiming for today. So we want AP screws first. Right, so let's grab 3 of them from memory. Bit of oil, and we'll secure that little silver trim panel in place like we did on the previous door. Like that. We'll put the first one in. We won't fully tighten these yet until we got all 3 in. Work our way round, and remember again, don't over tighten them because we are going into plastic, not die cast at the moment. Just rest your finger behind on the silver trim like so, so you're not putting it under any tension. Get that in situ. Now we can go around and fully tighten all of these lot. So let's do that now. So that's that done. Happy with that. Not too worried about oiled fingerprints at the moment because we'll be coming back and cleaning all of that lot off. So let's grab our handle of attachmentness. Feed that in like that. Grab a bit of oil on one of these. On a pair of them, if I remember rightly. Let's grab you. Bit of oil on that. And then we can pop the bracket on the back there. Rest it on the ball itself. And then it should line up on top of that little nub. There you go. Like I say, once you've got the first screw in, you'll be fine. There you go. Now I can grab a bit of oil on this second screw. Like that. Come round that way. Send that fully home now. And again, don't over tighten because you're going into plastic, remember. That's that. And as you can see, that moves fine. Okay. Actually, I can loosen that side off a bit, I think. Yeah, that's better. Right. Now we can press this ball in place. Let's find the hole, which is just there. All right. Get a bit of oil on here, like so. And we'll attach this. So let's bring that in. Line this up with the screw holes like so. And we'll pop the first one in situ. Like so. Just check it's all lining up. Which it is. And then we can get the other three now. A little bit of oil. Come down, we'll do the diagonal there. Grab this one. Same all round. A little bit of oil. Come up there. And then last but no means least, pop that one in. Right the way down there. And that's that in place. Quick check that everything's as it should be. And then we can get ready now to bring in the body shell and put in the other door hinge. Let's just put that to one side. Grab some EM screws. We'll put one on the door hinge. What do we want two for? And then two for the hinge itself. So we'll have a couple of spares of those as well. Pop them over there. Grab one. A little bit of oil. Pink. And we can bring in the body shell now. Alright. Let's now hang this door. So let's bring those just in there. Move my teacup out of the way. There you go. Better see what we're doing to tuck them wires in. Right. First things first. I got an EM screw over here with some oil somewhere. Pop our little hinge on there. And loosely bung these in, purely and simply because of door adjustment. I'd rather get any adjustment done at this stage. And let's back that off a tad, just to keep it with a little bit of slackage. I mean, the other side didn't need an adjustment, to be fair. So we might be lucky. Yeah, it seems to have gone straight in and pulled that nicely into alignment now. So I'm gonna take a gamble and we'll see what we look like. Hop. Got one more screw there. Very sturdy model, I must admit. Right, let's grab top hinge screw. Nice bit of oil on this. Let that run all the way down. And whilst that's soaking in, see that? Oh, let that door have a nice bit of an oilage. Like that. You can now feed that down and into the hinge, just like so. Then let's pulled that straight up, perfectly in line, and that's only got one screw in it. So it is really very, very fine tolerances, but the tolerances themselves haven't needed any adjustment. So fair play to Fanhome for nailing this, because you know it is a big old car to get right at the end of the day. So let's now line that one up. Straight in. Perfect. Like that. We have got the little covers to go on there yet, but that should now give me that door. Look at that. Perfect. Really am pleased with that. Yeah. Time them covers are on there, that'll be just right. Perhaps a little adjustment. Persuasionary. Perfect. Right, so that's that done. Let's check to see what stage we're at. We've installed that door. So we've now got the Batmobile with both doors on it now, folks. Okay. So that's that issue sorted. Issue 104 done and dusted. So, don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, folks, and who wouldn't, pop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can have this on your bench. Also, to help me out, if you can give a little Fester a click in the corner and subscribe to my channel. Helps keep it alive and keeps it growing. Whilst you're there, ring the bell and select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming future content. Remember to thumbs up and hype the video. Puts it out there in people's feeds. Lets them all come and see me. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Till then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.